Hello everyone, let us solve the following. A lot consists of 144 pens, of which 20 are defective and the others are good. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to Sudha. What is the probability that she will buy it and she will not buy it? Okay, here the question is given in a different manner. What is given? What is the probability that Sudha will buy a pen and she will not buy it? That means when if it is a good pen, if a good pen is given, definitely she will buy it. And if it is a defective pen, she won't buy it. Okay, we should have that simple logic here. So here we are going to find out the probability of getting a good pen and the probability of getting a defective pen. So indirectly, we are going to find the probability for Sudha will buy it, will buy the pen, and she will not buy the pen. Okay, right? Yes. So here a lot consists of 144 ball pens, out of which 20 are defective. 20 pens are defective. Okay. Total lot has 144 pens. Defective pens are 20. That obviously the good pens becomes 124. The number of good pens will be equal to 124. Okay. Right. Next, the probability of any event E is given by probability of any event will be given by number of favorable outcomes by total possible outcomes. Okay, so as we have a lot of total of 144 pens with 20 being defective, this means the number of good pens is 124, that is known to us. So for the probability that she will buy the pen means she picks a good pen only, right? So how many favorable outcomes will be there? 124, because we have 124 good pens there. So favorable outcomes are 124 for that particular event. So total outcomes means 144. That means the total number of pens in that particular lot. Okay, so the probability to pick up a good pen, or the probability that that Sudha will buy pen will be equal to 124 by 144. 124 by 144. When we simplify it, it becomes 31 by 36. Okay, the probability that Sudha will buy a pen will be equal to 31 by 36. That means the probability of picking a good pen. Okay, right. Next, probability that she will not buy it means she picks up a defective pen. If she picks a defective pen, definitely she won't buy it. Yes or no? So for defective pen, how many favorable outcomes are there? 20, because 20 defective pens are there. So total outcomes are 144, because total number of pens in the lot are 144. So probability will be equal to 20 by 144 here to pick a defective pen, or the case where she won't buy the pen. Okay, so 20 by 144, that will be equal to 5 by 36, or approximately equal to 0.139. Okay, so it is the probability that to pick a or draw a defective pen from the lot here. Okay, that means in the given question, it is given that what is the probability that Sudha buys that pen, and what is the probability that Sudha won't buy the pen. So that she buys the pen means 31 by 36. She won't buy the pen means 5 by 36. The probabilities, respective probabilities that we have calculated. Okay, right. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.